Should I replace old return vents? Usually, replace them only if they are damaged, badly rusted, too small, difficult to clean, or blocking proper airflow. A return vent is the opening that pulls used indoor air back to your heating and cooling system. The metal grill you see is only the cover, while the hidden duct behind it carries air to the equipment. If the grill is dusty but still straight, secure, and large enough, cleaning it may be all you need. Replace a bent grill if its slats are crushed, because that can restrict airflow and make the system work harder. A less obvious problem is an undersized return opening, which may cause whistling, weak airflow, uneven temperatures, or a noisy blower. Ask a heating and cooling professional to check airflow and pressure before making the opening larger. Never cover a return vent with furniture, rugs, or decorative panels, because the system needs that opening to breathe. Measure the old grill, check whether the filter belongs there, and choose a replacement that matches the opening rather than only the outside frame. One common mistake is replacing a grill without checking the hidden duct, since a new cover cannot fix a crushed or disconnected duct. Have the duct inspected if airflow stays weak. Another mistake is installing a smaller decorative grill because it looks better, so keep at least the original open-air area and follow the equipment requirements. People also sometimes place a filter in a return grill when the system already has a filter elsewhere, which can restrict airflow. Use only the filter locations recommended for your system. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.